right, friends, here we go. It's time for circle time. Let's stand up. And we're going to say the Pledge of Allegiance. Our right hands on our heart. Eyes are on the flag. And we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same here goes our side. We say, I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECC, we'll reach our dreams. All right. It is April 20th, 2021. We had no school yesterday, and we have no school tomorrow. Let's figure out what day of the week it is by singing our Days of the Week songs. Everybody ready to sing? Okay, here we go. Up. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday.
And then there's Saturday.
Days of the week.
Days of the week. Snap, snap.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Days of the week. All right, and today is Tuesday, April 20th, 2021. Let's take a look at our pattern. We have rain clouds and we have flowers. So let's see, it goes like this. Rain cloud, flowers, flowers. Rain clouds, flowers, flowers. Rain cloud, flowers, flowers. Rain cloud, flowers, flowers. Rain cloud, flowers, flowers. Right. Tomorrow is the 21st. We have no school. We'll be back here on Thursday. What is going to be tomorrow for the pattern? Rain clouds. Great thinking.
No, not
Bless you, my friend who sneezed. And what it is April showers bring May flowers. That's why we have rain clouds and flowers. What kind of weather do we have outside today? Let's see if we can get some help. So we're predicting cloudy weather for tomorrow. Let's say our alphabet together. Are we ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, counting all the way to 20. Let's do it together. Are you ready? Yes, no, maybe so. Touch your nose. Touch your head. Wiggle your fingers. Brains awake. Hands in lap. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can't hear you. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Backwards from 10. Let me hear ya. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, What color? What shape is purple? Octagon. What shape is blue? Big voice. Don't whisper. What is it? There we go. What shape is green? Circle. Friends here, what color is chocolate? Brown. What color is disgust? Green. What color is my fish? Orange. Let's see. Going for some colors. My friend right in the back with Spider-Man on. What number is this? Good. My friend right up here on the red square. What number is this? 12. Yes. What is it? 12. My friend right here. What number is this?
10.
Excellent. My friend right here. What number is this?
4. 7.
7. Good job. My friend right back here. What number is this?
Oh, I know that number.
What is it? 5. That's our nursery rhyme this week is Hey Diddle Diddle. Hey Diddle Diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. All right, what is this? A penny. And a penny has a brown or copper color to it. This one is a nickel. I have 5 pennies, or I can have 1 nickel. It's worth the same. This is a dime. A dime is worth 2 nickels or 10 pennies. So a dime is worth 10 cents.
10 cents.
And what is this called? Dime. Let me hear ya. Dime. All right. We have learned the letters L, F, E, H, T, I, U, C, O, G, S, J, D, P, and B. This week we're working on the letter R. R says like you're driving the car. Who's this?
Lego.
It is a Lego, but what is his name? Not Batman. Batman's favorite sidekick? Robin. Here's the princess. Her name is Rapunzel. And this, she does have long hair. And this guy's name? Rubble. They all start with the letter R. That's 1. All right, we're going to make the letter R together. Let's get our things out as our song plays.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to
Start it at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Oh, sorry.
letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. You start your letters, start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. Is this the top? No, it's the middle. Is this the top? Yes, it's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Reach out. Way up at the top. Yes, it's the top. Reach out and touch the top. Here we go. Reach down. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out. touch the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top.
Is this the top? No, it's the bottom.
Is this the top, top, top?
No, it's the middle.
Is this the top, top, top? Is this the top, top, top? Where do you start your letters at the top?
All right, we're making the letter R. So right now, your hands are in your lap. Your pieces should be at the top because we had that whole song to do that. Your listening ears are on and your inside voices are off. We're starting with big line down, and we put that big line down under Mr. Matt's smiling face. Now we grab our little curve and we put it at the top. That's not R. What letter is that? P. But we are going to add in a slide. So let's take a look. This is a slide. Have you ever been on a sliding board? You go at the top, and then you go, whee, you slide down. Watch this. Does that look like a sliding board?
No.
If I go to the top of that, I'm just going to fall right down to the bottom.
That's gonna hurt.
So I need to make sure I'm making a slide. So I can imagine the ladder here. I climb up, and then I slide down it. So when I'm making my R, it has a little slide at the bottom. So I'm going to make sure I have a slide at the bottom, not a line. Let's see if I can get it to turn. Not like that, because that doesn't look like fun. That looks like an accident waiting to happen. That's a straight line. We need it to be a slide to make the letter R. My turn. Your hands are in your lap. Your inside voices are off. Your listening ears are on. My turn. Big line down. Frog jump up. Little curve. Little slide. Whee! One more time. My turn. Big line down. Frog jump up. Little curve. Little slide. Whee! All right. Let's make it together. Grab our big line and put it on your mat. Let's see who. That's right. We're not covering up Mr. Matt's smiling face. Let's see who's using those listening ears and only has their big line. Wonderful. We have our big line, but we don't want to cover up Mr. Matt's smiling face. There he is. Grab our little curve and put it at the top to make the letter P. So we have our little curve at the top. My friend, little curve at the top. You pick up your next piece. That's a slide. Little curve. So we made the letter P, but letter P is not our letter this week. We're making the letter R. And R says R. Go ahead and make that slide. Good job. Look at those letter R's. Beautiful. Put our fingers at the top. And let's make it together. Big line down. Frog jump up. Little curve. Little slide. One more time. Ready? Ready? Fingers at the top. At the top. And we say, big line down.